Welcome to the Hartmann ProShop. In this video, we will talk about the login and registration process. If you are already a customer, then you can easily access the login page via shop.hartmann.info. Enter your mail address and password and sign in. Would you like to request a user account? Simply click the link, create an account now, and benefit from many advantages. Select your country, and you'll be guided through the registration process, including entering your contact details. Please ensure that all required fields are completed accurately and in full. After submitting your information, you will receive a confirmation email. Hartmann will review your details, and once your registration is approved, your login credentials will be sent via email. From then on, you'll be able to access and use all features of the online shop. Thank you for exploring and choosing our platform. Start using the Hartmann ProShop today.